tongue to side, heel down. Second position, plie, straight. Push up, tongue to side, stay 1 count, don't move. Pull to one side. And up, turn right. Pull to one front. Hold there, let go, stay, waiting for 1, don't move. Plie on 1, up, plie, up, slowly up. Okay, we add our side in. Okay, tongue to two side, we do left side tongue to, left side tongue to. Pull to one left side. And up, turn left, bounce leg 10 in. Pull to one front. Hold there, let go, stay, don't move. And plie, up, plie, up, slowly up. Face to the bar, right side like tongue to, and plie. Right now, right side foot circle. And plie. One more time, just let it go. Put your tailbone in place, stop it, hold it in. And turn in, turn out, to the side, relax the hip. And plie. Head circle from left side. Circle back, to the right. Right now, we do left side foot circle. Circle left side. And plie. One more. Good. And plie. Left side, turn in, turn out. Relax head. First position, plie. Head circle from right side. Circle back. Good. Right side foot, 2 tongue to front. First position. Slow, one more. Plie, 2 tongue to back. Again. Plie, 2 tongue to the side. And the first position, plie, shoulder circle. And up, open. One more. And then we do left side leg, 2 tongue to front. Slow. Feel the floor. Use the muscle. Go through that point. Good. And back. Very good. And back. To the side. And plie. Shoulder circle reverse. Open, up, forwards. One more time. Open, up, forwards. Right side leg, tongue to back, slide down all the way, let go. Stay there. Look down, stretch your shoulders well. And up. Plie. Left side leg, tongue to, all the way down, stay. Hold. Right now, up slowly. First position, plie. Releve. Find your center. One arm up. Another arm up.